Hi everyone! This week on Friction Friday, we're featuring the 2026 Lexus RZ550e. As Lexus continues to expand its all-electric lineup, the RZ550e delivers smooth dual-motor performance, advanced driver technology, and the quiet refinement luxury drivers expect. With instant torque, regenerative braking, and increased EV weight, this platform requires braking components that provide consistent response and controlled stopping in every condition. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, delivering quiet operation, stable pedal feel, and dependable performance under EV-specific demands. Designed to integrate seamlessly with regenerative braking systems, these components help manage load while preserving the refined driving experience Lexus owners value. GeoSpec coated rotors provide long-lasting corrosion protection, helping maintain both performance and appearance across changing climates. OE-specific designs ensure precise fitment and reliable installation for service technicians working on this next-generation electric SUV. Whether navigating city streets, cruising the highway, or operating in mixed driving conditions, DFC braking components help the RZ550e maintain confidence, comfort, and control mile after mile. For added convenience, DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, streamlining inventory for distributors and improving efficiency in the service bay. DFC is proud to support the 2026 Lexus RZ550e with a complete braking solution. Pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for OE-level performance, durability, and the quiet, predictable braking luxury EV drivers expect. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.